Hey guys, it's Vivian, and today we're going to be going over wine slang and terms. The first word is aperitif. Aperitif is a beverage, it doesn't have to be a wine, a beverage before a meal. The point of aperitif is because you're thirsty, you're trying to whet your appetite, and that could be a sparkling wine, a dry rosé, a light crisp white wine. It can be a cocktail. Burgundy is a region in France. What everyone just needs to know is that a rule of thumb, like 99% of the time, a red Burgundy is a Pinot Noir and a white Burgundy is a Chardonnay. Nose is the aroma of a wine. It's just like a fancier way of saying that. Tannin gives you that dry mouth feel. Finish. So finish is the aftertaste of a wine. So it could be heat from the alcohol, or it could be like the tannins has a dry finish. Body. So body refers to the weight and the size of a wine in your mouth. Cabernet Sauvignon is a full body wine. A Pinot is a lighter body wine. I think people get confused with dry and they think acidic, but brut and dry mean that it is not sweet. Complex. So you'll hear that term, oh, this wine is complex, or this wine has a lot of complexity. And that just means that there's multiple aromas and multiple flavors going on. It's not just one note. It's a party in your mouth. Things are evolving. Typically, a complex wine is a higher quality wine. I feel like a lot of people know this. Terroir. It's just like all the characteristics of where grape is grown, like what the soil types are, sunlight, the altitude, all of those factors impacts the terroir of a grape, and that impacts like the wine's flavors. So you aerate wines typically for older wines because you want to get rid of any of like the compounds that have been sitting in there for a while, release all the funky stuff and leave all the good aromas. It will also soften the tannins in younger reds. That was wine slang, and I hope that you guys are able to use some of these terms, or at least when you hear them next time, you'll be more familiar with them. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time.